Today's word of the day is risible. No, it's not some fancy dessert. It's a word we all could use a little more of these days. Risible means something that makes you laugh. You know, like that friend who trips over their feet or a video of a cat that you share. Ah yes, what a risible performance. Simply hilarious. Or in plain English, I laughed so hard I cried. So next time you're laughing your head off, just say, "This is utterly risible." It'll make you sound sophisticated while rolling on the floor. Embrace the giggles. Life is better when it's a little risible. Risible, making laughter sound sophisticated since 1557. See you next time.